Drive like a normal person.
I paint again! Launch mode. Pain again. We're having a meeting outside. It's the end of the day. Long day, long weekend, long week. It was a lot of work this week. Tired. So let's talk about this Urus a little bit. We have this beautiful black Urus. Beautiful 1016 wide body kit on it. Wheels, we left alone. He liked the wheels Chad originally had, so we left those alone. But other than that, the whole car is upgraded with a 1016 wide body kit. Looks beautiful. You guys know black color is very, very hard to keep clean and look nice. This thing looks like a mirror. Very, very nice. No scratches on it. Everything perfect as usual. It's going to the client's house right now. He's going to enjoy it. He hasn't driven this car for a long time. And another build, another completion of a very, very nice kit onto the customer's house.
Hey, let's go to the tacos.
I paint again.
Hey.
Did you get that?
Hey, let's go to the tacos.
Tacos?
Yeah, carne asada.
Carne asada?
Yeah.
Where does it mean that? Acá? All right, you guys, we have this beautiful Honda S2000. This S2, what is this? A disco club? This S2000 is a very special car back in the days. This car has a lot of damages. Customer purchased it, had it sent straight here. We're going to make this S2000 look like a new S2000. It's gonna be brand new. We're going to do a lot of work. As you guys can see, there's a lot of body work happening here because of all the dents and damages. So we're doing all that right now. We're getting it ready, prepping it for the wrap. So this car is gonna be satin pro white. It's gonna have some wheels on it, interior work, all that stuff. Stay tuned for this one. This is a special car.
Range Rover, we're back from SEMA, by the way. One day trip, I'm tired. Had a lot of meetings and late night meeting and stuff, and then I flew back home in the morning. Gabe too, behind the camera. Quick work, but we're back here at the shop and we are starting on this Range Rover wide body. This is a 1016 Industries body kit. We're gonna be test fitting. This kit needs a little bit of love to make it fit better. So we're not gonna right away put it to paint, and we're gonna be prepping it, painting it to the color of the car. This will be a full white and black themed wide body Range Rover. Really, I'm happy that we're doing actually 26s on this one instead. 26-inch RDV wheels are going on there. Normally we do 24s on these, but the 26s look really nice, and the Range Rovers handle the 26 very, very easily. So yeah, stay tuned. Wide body Range Rover on 26s coming up.
What's next?
A
bumper?
I need to remove the bumper. It's down. Take it out. And vámonos.
I have a Mercedes A220. The car has about 112 to 115,000 miles. This one's a little bit of a bad news for the clients. It could have been worse though. It could have been like an engine problem. It could have been a transmission problem. At this moment, you guys can see everything's taken apart. What goes here is the turbo. We'll show you guys right now. This car has a very loud noise coming from inside the turbo system. Okay. We got the turbo here for you guys. So inside the turbo, let's see if the camera can get this. You guys see there's little fans inside. Okay, so they have a lot of play. They have a lot of movement. So when the turbo is spooling up, it's making a very loud noise inside the turbo. We have a brand new turbo coming from the Mercedes dealership, which should be here in a few days. I'm gonna swap out the new turbo, make it brand new also. since we took the turbo apart, we have a lot of seals and gaskets we need to change because we can't use the old ones. So we got more parts that we're gonna replace. So pretty much, while we're doing the turbo, we got a lot of gaskets and parts that we're going to replace as well, along with a lot of the little seals and stuff that are only one-time use. So that way we don't have any coolant leaks, any problems like that. This is a pretty big job. So after this, the car should be running 100% with a brand new turbo from Mercedes, and this should be a wrap, and customer will be very, very happy. My last day with something that I really cared about and I really loved for such a long time, and my computer that I've been using for 14 years. Yeah, so it's been a long time. There's a lot of memories in this thing with me, and yeah, basically we're installing a new computer right now. We're cleaning up. My desk hasn't been cleaned for 14 years as well. Now we're gonna put computer on and test everything, make sure everything's good, transfer all the programs, and I guess make new. That's pretty good. And then make new history on the new computer.
Well, this stuff is probably cancerous.
It's not bad. It's like hot sauce. You know, when you need something to, you can't always have it clean.
Yes, you can.
And the only reason why I don't clean my desk is because I'm very OCD. Now, whatever they just did now, it's gonna take me about 3 hours to put everything back together, line everything up, and then they're gonna come and mess it up again. This alone is about 700 bucks, you guys. Just this. Pretty easy to steal, yeah. All you have to do is unlock it from the. I'm not gonna tell you how to do it. I'm gonna let it steal. This fucking idiot. Yeah. Stupid questions.
You passed.
So we have a beautiful G63 here. This is a brand new car. Unfortunately, the customer has not enjoyed this car. That's one of the worst things that you can do. Buy a new car and have something happen to it. In this case, this is a different problem. It's not only collision, but somebody stole the spare tire cover and pretty much both pieces. This was stolen off this car. This was stolen off this car. A lot of bad people, so you guys gotta be careful where you park your cars and where you park your cars, because you can have everything stolen like this car did. So also the bumper was damaged. We put a brand new bumper on there, and paint matching this is very, very difficult. Special color. I think we did a good job doing the paint match. And that's about it. So spare tire cover, brand new bumper. This car's ready to go. Hopefully the customer now can enjoy it for the holidays.
We have a Rolls-Royce Cullinan, brand new car, Tempest Gray on Forge yellow interior. Beautiful color combination. This is not the orange interior. This is like the more between the orange and the yellow. So I'm excited that this is gonna be a new build for us. Mansory again. So stay tuned. We have the fenders off, front bumpers off, grills off. Be careful. There's fake Mansory Cullinans floating around now. So you could tell very easily by the weave of the carbon. The logos are not even on the car, or they're in the wrong places, or they're just wrong. But yeah, just watch out for that, because the pricing between fake and real is crazy. We don't do anything fake here. But we have another Cullinan there. This one, somebody else did it. Showed you a little bit about it in the last video where it had issues. And we fixed all that now. As you can see, the front end now has all the orange inside the slits on every single grill piece. It also lights up fantastically. It always lights up anytime the ignition is on. So at night, daytime, driving, park, whatever, these lights will be all lit up. This the way it should be. It looks really good. We also fixed the rear center brake light that comes with the rear bumper. So whenever you brake, that's going to be on. I'm gonna be redoing some of the emblems because they're a little bit chipping. And then other little small paint issues and stuff like that we're gonna fix. But yeah, we know this kit, you know, really well now. Inside this bumper is a crazy amount of wires and lighting. So you gotta do the right work to get it done. This one was one of the early ones, so they still hadn't figured it out exactly, whoever installed it, but that's why we're here. We fixed it. Now it's gonna be good. This customer is gonna enjoy his car again. So there's a lot of Mansory going down here at RDB.